everyone. Welcome to our full review of the 2025 Harley-Davidson CVO Road Glide RR, where power, precision, and performance come together in one incredible machine. This is a bold statement of engineering excellence and racing-inspired design, hand-assembled and meticulously crafted for the few who demand the best. Only 131 units of the CVO Road Glide RR will be produced, each one serialized, each one available exclusively through select authorized Harley-Davidson dealers in the United States. And with a price tag of $110,000, this is a collector's dream and a rider's ultimate weapon. Beneath the aggressive fairing lies a beast. 153 horsepower, 150 foot-pounds of torque, and a screaming 6,500 revolutions per minute redline. This machine doesn't just break barriers, it redefines them. Stay with us for a full breakdown of what's new, what's special, and why this bike is unlike anything Harley-Davidson has ever built before. At its heart is a new Screamin Eagle 131V twin engine, delivering a staggering 153 horsepower at 5,750 RPM and 150 pounds-to-foot of torque at 4,750 RPM. With 131 cubic inches or 2,147 cubic centimeters of displacement and a redline raised to 6,500 RPM, this is the same engine platform used by the Harley-Davidson factory racing team in the King of the Baggers series. This machine doesn't just perform, it looks the part too. The bold graphic design draws direct inspiration from the race livery of Harley's 2025 Moto America competition bikes. The solid racing orange paint fades into bars forming the iconic bar and shield across the fairing, tank, side covers, and saddlebags. Select panels reveal carbon fiber weave beneath a clear coat, and a sweeping white Screamin Eagle graphic ties it all together. The hog black engine finish features racing orange accents, and the gloss black wheels are laser etched with CVO RR in red. Built for race-inspired performance, the RR is equipped with fully adjustable, premium race spec suspension at both front and rear, and Brembo braking components ensure precise stopping power with confidence. Thanks to lightweight materials and a focus on performance, the RR weighs just 750 pounds. Riders also get Harley-Davidson's rider safety enhancements, a suite of technologies designed to optimize traction and control under acceleration, braking, and cornering in various conditions. With selectable ride modes, the RR lets you tune the bike's personality, from throttle response and engine braking to cornering ABS and traction control. And to top it all off, the Road Glide RR debuts a premium Stage 3 audio system by Rockford Fosgate, delivering high-performance sound to match its road-dominating presence. The CVO Road Glide RR is built for riders who demand nothing less than dominance. At its core is the Screamin Eagle 131 powertrain, paired with the precision of the Screamin Eagle Racing King 6-speed transmission. A high-performance intake system feeds this beast, while the Akrapovic full titanium exhaust unleashes a soundtrack worthy of the track. Equipped with race-spec Alliance suspension, this machine delivers uncompromising handling and control. Braking is equally elite, with Brembo GP4RX CNC calipers and T-drive rotors delivering racing-grade stopping power. A lightweight billet aluminum swing arm enhances agility and reduces unsprung weight. Everything is engineered for performance. This is more than a motorcycle, it's a limited production work of art. Just 131 units will be built, each hand-assembled and instantly legendary. Details like billet aluminum midfoot controls, a race-inspired Sola seat with pommel, and cast aluminum wheels combine comfort with competition-grade style. With Track and Track Plus ride modes, you can tailor your ride for optimal performance under any condition. The advanced instrumentation and infotainment system keeps you informed, while high-performance audio ensures every ride has a soundtrack to match its attitude. The signature LED lighting guarantees visibility and presence, day or night. And with Harley-Davidson's rider safety enhancements, you get intelligent systems that adapt to road conditions and rider inputs, for control, confidence, and peace of mind. This is the 2025 CVO Road Glide RR. Built for the track. Ready for the street. Born to lead. At the heart of the 2025 CVO Road Glide RR lies something truly exceptional, the all-new Screamin Eagle 131V twin engine, built exclusively for this limited edition performance machine. This is the most powerful factory-installed MILWAUKEE-EIGHT engine Harley-Davidson has ever produced. Precision crafted with Screamin Eagle Stage 4 CNC ported cylinder heads, it features fully machined combustion chambers and ports for optimized flow. The valves are larger than standard, 42mm intake and 34mm exhaust, and the internal exhaust valves offer exceptional fatigue resistance under extreme heat. Multi-angle valve seats are flawlessly blended into the combustion chambers, while liquid cooling ensures peak performance lap after lap. The engine is driven by a high-performance SE8 550 camshaft, delivering 0.550 inches of valve lift, providing explosive top-end power and high RPM efficiency. Paired with a race-inspired 68mm throttle body and CNC machined aluminum intake manifold, the system maximizes airflow while reducing weight and offering improved leg clearance for the rider. A washable Screamin Eagle high-flow air filter completes this ultra-efficient breathing system. This motor is built for the extremes. With Screamin Eagle high-capacity valve lifters, high-performance valve springs, a reinforced inner camshaft bearing, and a high-volume oil pump, durability is engineered into every component. The fuel injectors ensure consistent, high-volume fuel delivery at peak RPM. To boost acceleration, Harley-Davidson fitted a 32th output sprocket, lowering the final drive ratio to 2.27 to 1 compared to the standard 2.13 to 1, delivering more torque in every gear. The billet clutch basket, straight from factory race team R&D, is machined from high-strength 7075 aluminum with a mil-spec anodized finish, built with ultra-tight tolerances to eliminate clutch chatter and reduce wear. The engine is dressed in lightweight billet aluminum powertrain covers, finished to match the look of Harley-Davidson's factory race machines. The redesigned primary cover not only aids in cooling but also increases lean angle clearance for aggressive riding. And then there's the sound, and performance, of the Akrapovic full titanium exhaust system. Featuring lightweight titanium 2-in-1 header pipes, carbon fiber heat shields, and titanium muffler shells with fiber end caps, this setup cuts over 10 pounds from the stock exhaust. It's tuned for maximum flow, emissions compliance across all 50 states, and an exhilarating tone, especially under throttle. Backing all of this is the Screamin Eagle Racing King 6-speed transmission, tested under real race conditions. Modified back-cut angles on the shift dogs enhance engagement, while shot-peen gears and shafts provide the durability demanded by aggressive, high-output riding. It's a factory-built powerhouse, engineered, assembled, and tuned to win. The 2025 CVO Road Glide RR takes precision handling to a whole new level with a suspension setup straight from the racetrack. At the front, the bike is equipped with inverted 43mm Öhlins FGR 253 Hypersport Superbike forks, the result of a close collaboration between Öhlins and Harley-Davidson factory racing. These forks are engineered for uncompromising performance and razor-sharp responsiveness. Riders can fine-tune rebound and compression damping, and adjust preload to match their weight and desired ride attitude. Micro-polished inner tubes reduce friction for ultra-smooth operation, while the advanced pressurized TTX25 cartridge system ensures consistent damping at high frequencies, translating into improved tire contact and feel at the limit. Holding it all together are billet aluminum triple clamps, designed to maximize fork performance using race-proven geometry and an optimized strength-to-weight ratio, the perfect foundation for high-speed cornering confidence. At the rear, Harley-Davidson didn't hold back either. The bike features dual outboard Screamin Eagle Öhlins remote reservoir shocks, directly inspired by the factory racing road glide machines. With adjustable rebound and compression damping, plus preload and ride height settings, these 14-inch long shocks can be dialed in for any rider and any road. Remote reservoirs are exposed between the fender and saddlebags, keeping oil and gas separated to ensure stable, high-performance damping, even under hard riding. The entire suspension system is tuned to raise the ride height by 2 inches, which not only enhances visibility and command of the road, but also increases lean angle, up to 36 degrees right and 35 degrees left. That's a full 3-degree improvement in both directions over the CVO Road Glide ST, unlocking new levels of agility for aggressive cornering. Completing the setup is a brand new billet aluminum swing arm, born from Harley-Davidson's factory team race program. Designed using advanced computer-aided engineering and topology optimization, this performance swing arm is 10% stiffer and 10% lighter than its steel counterpart. Milled from a 220-pound block of 6061 aluminum down to a precision 18-pound component, this swing arm provides the rigidity needed for razor-sharp handling while keeping weight to a minimum. From fork to fender, this is a suspension system engineered to dominate. When it comes to stopping power and performance-focused engineering, the 2025 CVO Road Glide RR sets a new benchmark, with a braking system and lightweight design born from the racetrack. At the front, this beast is equipped with Brembo GP4RX CNC machined calipers, delivering near MotoGP level braking performance. Each caliper is precision milled from a solid block of billet aluminum for unmatched strength and rigidity. With tighter machining tolerances and no need for traditional pad pins, the brake pads glide on internal guides machined directly into the caliper body, a design focused on strength, simplicity, and precision. Finished in nickel plating adapted from MotoGP, these calipers not only look stunning, but also offer enhanced heat dissipation during extreme riding. Inside, 432mm pistons deliver exceptional stopping force, while the adjustable front brake lever ensures personalized comfort and feel for any rider. Backing them up are Brembo T-Drive rotors, the very same technology trusted by Harley-Davidson's factory race team. These 320mm rotors, now 5.5mm thick, feature a patented floating T-Drive design that allows both radial and axial movement, improving torque transfer and brake response. Crafted with a premium stainless steel braking surface, these rotors balance performance, heat management, and weight savings, all in one revolutionary package. At the rear, a 4-piston Brembo caliper clamps down on a 300mm rotor, giving you confidence-inspiring control when trail braking or navigating tight corners. But it's not just about stopping, it's about shedding every unnecessary pound in pursuit of speed. The CVO Road Glide RR weighs in at just 750 pounds shipped, thanks to a comprehensive weight reduction strategy that touches nearly every component. The exhaust system features titanium headers and mufflers, while carbon fiber heat shields help trim even more weight. The fenders, side covers, tank console, fork nacelle, and radiator shroud are all made from lightweight woven carbon fiber composite. And Harley-Davidson didn't stop there. For the first time in the industry, they've used a carbon fiber and Kevlar hybrid layup on the front fairing, saddlebags, and lids to deliver unmatched strength and durability with minimum mess. Billet aluminum mid-controls replace traditional footboards for added precision and reduced bulk. The powertrain covers and swing arm are also machined from lightweight billet aluminum, not only saving weight but also adding a premium race-inspired finish. Even the T-Drive rotors themselves contribute to weight savings over standard brake setups, making every ounce count. The result? A lighter, sharper, and more responsive machine that brakes harder, corners faster, and performs like no Road Glide ever has before. Every detail of the 2025 CVO Road Glide RR is built for one thing: performance. And that philosophy extends to the ergonomics, where rider positioning meets race-ready precision. For starters, the traditional footboards are gone. In their place are new mid-mount foot controls, allowing the rider to take full advantage of the bike's increased lean angle, made possible by the raised ride height. These billet aluminum foot pegs and controls are not only lighter, but positioned to create a more aggressive rider triangle, improving efficiency in both shifting and braking during dynamic riding. It's a design straight from the racetrack, focused on control, feedback, and flow. The solo seat is also all new, a race-inspired design that puts the rider in a more athletic, engaged position. By raising the seat height by about 1 inch, Harley-Davidson has optimized the distance to the mid-controls for better balance, comfort, and power transfer. A raised rear bolster helps keep the rider planted during hard acceleration and cornering, while a padded pommel at the rear of the fuel tank, another feature lifted from competitive racing, gives the rider extra bracing during intense braking, helping with body positioning and corner control. The result is a riding posture that doesn't just feel fast, it performs fast. At the front end, you'll find a moto bar handlebar mounted on a 6-inch riser, giving the rider a more upright and commanding posture. This riser is 2.2 inches taller than that of the standard Road Glide, while the moto bar itself features a flatter, race-derived bend, designed to reduce wrist fatigue and maximize steering precision. All of this comes together to give the CVO Road Glide RR a riding experience like no other Road Glide before it: sharper, more agile, and tuned for total rider control at speed. The 2025 CVO Road Glide RR isn't just a race-inspired machine, it's also packed with intelligent features that blend performance with long-distance practicality and modern connectivity. Let's start with the fairing. Aggressively styled and aerodynamically optimized, the iconic Road Glide Shark Nose design houses a brilliant LED headlamp flanked by integrated LED signature lighting and turn signals. This seamless setup eliminates the need for separate signal housings, giving the front end a clean, uninterrupted look that's as functional as it is fierce. Behind the fairing, riders will find thoughtful storage, left and right side media compartments, each designed to fit most smartphones, even with a case. The right compartment includes a USB-C port, keeping your devices powered while you ride. Cutting through the wind is a 5-inch dark smoke wind splitter windshield, engineered to deliver the perfect balance between aerodynamic efficiency and aggressive styling. The centerpiece of the rider interface is the 12.3-inch touchscreen display, powered by Harley-Davidson's exclusive Skyline OS. With Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, riders can enjoy wireless Apple CarPlay, live traffic and weather data, plus factory-activated embedded navigation. The CVO Road Glide RR also ships with a wireless headset, and the system is capable of receiving over-the-air updates, keeping your software fresh and your features current. When it's time to pack for the ride, hard-shell saddlebags provide 2.42 cubic feet of lockable storage, plenty of room for gear, essentials, and more. With a combination of modern tech, aerodynamic design, and rider-focused details, the CVO Road Glide RR proves that high performance doesn't mean sacrificing comfort or connectivity. Thanks for watching.